Hi, welcome to RM Wraps. My name is Randy Miller, and what you're seeing right here is a mini fridge wrap, and it's a very nice mini fridge. So what they're going to do is they're going to put a wood top on top. This is for Jonathan, and I'm making this video to show him, but also show you guys the quality of the wrap. And so what I did, I went all the way up and around and right up to the edge of, let's see if it focuses right there, of the door. It's hard to focus. And that's it. So Jonathan, it's be coming your way pretty soon. I'm gonna be shipping it out, and this is your end product. So if someone is actually looking for a promotional or a full service refrigerator wrap, so basically you ship the refrigerator and I wrap it and I ship it back, or basically I could buy everything from the refrigerator and then wrap it and then send it to you. But that's a ticket right there. So thanks for watching, and catch you on the next video. Oh, if you want to check out my website, rmwraps.com. If you want to get a hold of me, it's Randy Miller at 208-696-1180, or email me at rmwraps@gmail.com. Thank you.